Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their profile. Let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are on TikTok, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And tap on Settings and Privacy. And now tap on Privacy. And once you are in the privacy settings, simply scroll down to the very end. And here you will see option that says Profile Views. Tap on it. Okay, so here you will see an option called Profile View History. If it is turned on, TikTok will let people know when you view their profile. Simply toggle this off to stop TikTok from sharing your activity. Once you have toggled it off, you are all set. From now on, no one will be able to see when you have viewed their profile. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.